With over 365 days to solve in this calendar puzzle, you have to solve for the month, the day, and the day of the week. This puzzle also has 2 different difficulty levels. If you leave only the solid sides facing up like this, it's a more difficult way to solve it, but if at any point you flip any of these pieces, it makes it the easier way to solve it. Today I'll be solving for April 24th, Thursday. To get the calendar puzzle for yourself, go check out the link in our description. So to leave April open, we can put something like this in the top with this piece next to it, or we could use this piece this way. Underneath here, I could use the T shape. On the bottom, I will probably use something like this. So let's put this longer piece on the bottom. Then to leave Thursday open over here, I would have to do something like this or like this. I don't think I have anything else that would fit good in the top up here. If I do that, I could put this piece here, but then that covers Thursday that way. So let's flip the piece and put it in like that. But if I put this piece in here, I'm covering Thursday, and I just don't have anything nice to fit in here. So let's dump it out and try it in a different way. If I start off with this piece up top, let's start off by leaving Thursday open over here. I can place this piece. Then I can use the Z underneath that and this piece on the bottom. So if I place this piece on the bottom, I can leave the 24th open. And I can use this piece above that. Next to that, I could use this piece. Then I can use this piece to wrap around here. If I place this piece up top, the last piece to place is the T shape to solve for April 24th, Thursday. What date do you think I should solve for next? Also, if you want to go get the puzzle for yourself, go check out the link in the description.